Hello there, welcome back to Judy Africana. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Okay, so this pot of goodies right here is good old potato pottage. I'm just gonna show you this updated recipe from my first video. I have a video on potato pottage already. I'll put a link in the description box below. Let's get straight into the ingredients. Okay, so definitely you need potato. Just wash and dice them into smaller shapes, and then I've got my mixed vegetables, frozen vegetables, and of course the smoked fish. Optional, you don't really need it. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and I've got my frozen diced onions as well. Over here I've got chicken broth. When I grill my chicken in the oven, I collect the broth just in case I need to cook with it. And then I've got my tomato, that's grilled tomato, pepper, onions, and yeah. So I grill them and then just blend them together. So that's what I've got right there. And then I've got my seasonings, chicken stock pot, and chicken's cube. And I've got my smoked paprika, salt, and then the oil, sunflower oil. No palm oil this time. That is a change from my first recipe, right? All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to put in the chicken broth into the pot, and to that I'm going to add my smoked mackerel. I've just diced them up, and I wanted to release its flavor, so I'm going to add the smoked mackerel, and then the tomato paste as well, and I'm going to be adding the onions too. So I'm just going to cover and allow that to simmer for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add the blended tomato and all other seasonings before adding my potato. So basically you could just dump everything in and cover to cook. It all depends on what you want to do. It's a very simple meal to make, very easy. There's no stress at all. Yeah, so you can continue watching and see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the sunflower oil. I only used 3 tablespoons because the chicken broth already had, oil, the chicken oil in it, so I didn't need too much oil. And that's also a change from my first recipe, where I used palm oil. So this recipe, no palm oil at all. And I've added, just a pinch of salt because the chicken broth has got salt, the seasonings has got salt, so you have to be very mindful of salt when making potato pottage. Now it's time to add the main you know. So the potato is going right in. I'm just gonna stir and then cover and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. And then, yeah. Oh, I added a bit of water. That was actually half cup of water. I didn't want to add too much because I didn't want it to be watery. I wanted it to be very thick. So yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna stir it and, you know, allow it to cook. Okay, so while my potato pottage is busy cooking, I'm just gonna take out this time to say thank you to every one of you. You've been watching my videos, or you've been leaving those awesome comments. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Thank you again. God bless you. So my potato pottage has been boiling for about 10 minutes. So this is a non-stick pot, so it doesn't really get burnt. But it's good to stir at interval. Yeah, so you can see it's beginning to thicken and it looks so good. And the smell is so good too. Oh my goodness. Now it's really ready. I've added my vegetables, mixed vegetables and courgette. Well, it happens that I thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't rolling, so it didn't record that part. But yeah, basically it's just for you to add your vegetables when you notice that it's really thickened up and the potatoes are really done. Yeah, so that's it. It's ready. You can see it for yourself. You can see the result and the taste. Oh my word. The taste so good. Can you see that? This is a very healthy meal for you and your family. Like really affordable, easy to make, and easily accessible too. Okay, so here is the end result. Very beautiful and really tasty and really good. I mean, this is an affordable meal. Potato is a major food item that we find anywhere, in the UK, in Africa, wherever. We can easily make this for our family, and it's very healthy too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload. And then you can also decide to share my videos. That's absolutely fine. And of course, leave me a comment because I love reading comments. With this, I'm saying bye. Okay, my burger is ready. Simple as ABC. Okay, so making the second one, and then my lunch is all ready to be consumed. And yeah, we had a good time, enjoying these goodies. The body, the wrap, the tortilla, you can see that it's kind of cracking. That's the way I like it, because it just kind of crispy. Try. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Did you enjoy today's video? Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so.